Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite dish of all time, chili crab. This dish is a Southeast Asian seafood dish that is widely associated with the cuisine of both Malaysia and Singapore. It is an explosion of seafood flavor, less spicy, salty sweet and very savory, so let's start prepping. Start with dicing the onion into big chunks. Transfer to a bowl. Next, roughly chop the garlic and ginger. Remove the tip of the pepper. Cut it in half and another half. Transfer to a bowl. Next, use the scissors to cut the dried chilies into smaller pieces. I'm gonna soak the dried chilies in hot water. Add hot water and let it soak for a few minutes. Let's prepare the crab. Use scissors to trim the crab legs. For the claw, lightly cut not all the way through using scissors. Remove the roots of the spring onion. Chop the spring onion into small pieces. I will use this as a garnish. Now, let's remove the coriander leaves from the stem. Keep the stem aside, I will use it for the sauce later. Roughly chop the coriander, I will use this as garnish as well. Let's prepare the sauce. Use the coriander stem that we saved from before. Add onion, pepper and ginger. Blend for a few seconds. Add the remaining ingredients. If you have a bigger blender, you can blend everything at the same time. Now I'm going to add the soaked dried chilies. Add a drizzle of cooking oil. Blend the ingredients until smooth. This is what my chili paste look like. Let's start cooking. Place a pan over medium heat and add oil. Add the chili paste and fry for 8 to 10 minutes. I will fry this paste until it gets dry. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Some water and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Fry until it gets dry. Once dried, add some water and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. You have to cook the chili paste properly or it will be easy to get stomachache. Add the soybean paste once the paste texture becomes like this. Add ketchup, chili sauce and tomato paste. Mix well. Add the fish stock into the pan. Cook on medium-low heat. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Cover with lid and cook for a few minutes until the sauce gets thicker. happy with the consistency of the sauce, season with 1 tablespoon of sugar and add vinegar into the pan. Season with salt. Add beaten egg. Stir the sauce. Add the crabs. Mix well. Cover with lid and cook for 5 minutes. And cook for another 3 minutes. Some chopped spring onion and coriander into the pan. It's now ready to be served. Best way to have this dish is with steamed or fried mantou bun. Enjoy my recipes and let me know in the comment below if you try it. See you in my next video. Bye!